Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Western Union money transfer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Using Western Union money transfer is really simple. You can use it from your browser as well by simply heading over and opening up your browser, then on the search bar type in westernunion.com, then simply log into your account. Now all you gotta do is, if you aren't in the send money option, simply select the menu option and then select send money. Now enter the amount and recipient's full name, country, and how will they receive the money and the amount you want to send. Then lastly, choose payment method and pay and confirm. You will get a money transfer control number. Share this with the recipient. Now if you are using it from your phone or mobile app, simply head over and open up your app and then simply tap on send money right here and then enter the recipient details and amount. Select how they will receive the funds and pay using your card or bank account, and share the MPCN with your recipient. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.